Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna try another hair tutorial today. I just freshly washed and blow dried my hair. So I want to do like some jumbo long twists, like the fluffy looking ones with like curly ends. So I'm gonna try that. We'll see how it comes out. With the Goddess box braid, that came out pretty good. So we'll see. Cause from the postpartum shedding, my edges are growing in. So I feel like now I can kind of do some more protective styles because I'm kind of getting tired of wearing wigs all the time. So the hair that I got was this. It's Xpressions and it's called Springy Afro twist. And this one is like the longer. I think it said I think this is 24 inches. So I got this. I got like 2 packs of these and I got it in the number 1. And then I got these to put on the ends. And then I also got, I had a leftover one because I did my daughter's hair in twist. So I got an extra pack, and then I think this one is like maybe 18 and this is 24. So if it doesn't go to the length I want it, I'll probably put this to make it longer. And let's see. So I will have rubber bands, of course, edge control, and I'm also going to use this, of course, to help with those nice parts. Let's see, a parting, comb for parting, and that's pretty. Oh, and I use this to help kind of like when you're twisting, so it's like kind of just dry and it starts like like the friction. So I kind of got this to kind of like help with the twisting also. So we about to see what it's gonna do. So stay tuned and we'll see.